Welcome back, everyone. It's John with azWHOLEistic in the CBD studio and dispensary in Phoenix, Arizona. Wanted to share with you a CBD drug test that we recently had done. We had a subject who has never taken CBD before try a popular brand of CBD to see what he would test, if in fact it would test positive for THC. The results were quite interesting. So we started with a clean body. And in order to do that, we have to have a test done on the body. So we bought a popular home drug test, tested the urine, and it clearly indicates that this person has no THC in their body by simply looking at the test result here. The test result indicates negative if there's two lines, which we can see two lines. As long as you can see the lines, it indicates negative. If there's one clear line, then it's positive. So we have a faded line under here and a fairly more solid line, and that's just because of the dipping of the test as it goes up. Okay, so this particular beginning test result on this urine says no THC. We had the same individual then take this particular product, Plant Health 400 milligrams CBD, and after about 3 weeks he tested clean. And the following test on this one was here. This is a different test after 3 weeks of Plant Health. And it did not cause a dirty or a hot test. Again, clearly you can see two lines for negative. Okay? So then we waited a couple weeks, and this individual then decided to do another test with a product that was purchased in a smoke shop. This is a product called New Leaf CBD. It's very popular in smoke and vape shops, and it measures at about 240 milligrams per bottle. It's a very small bottle. It's only 1.7 mils. Okay, we actually did send this out to the lab. We did have this product tested to make sure that it was accurate, and sure enough, it did test at 268 milligrams of CBD, but it also tested at 11.191 milligrams of THC. So that equals approximately 2.268 milligrams of CBD per milliliter. Okay, the whole bottle is almost 11.5 milligrams per dropper. It's about 0.268 milligrams of THC. So this individual took this particular product twice a day for 12 days, and this was the second drug test that was taken. And you can clearly see here that there's one clear line, and that indicates positive for THC. So that shows that just after 12 days of that product, of only half a dropper twice a day, that does build up in the bloodstream and will have you test hot. This is the drug test that was taken, can be found at any Walgreens or CVS. It's called Quick Screen at-home drug test, specifically for marijuana and THC. And it costs about $20. The other good thing about this test is once you get your results, you can send it in and they will mail you back a double test. This is the result that came back in the mail about 12 to 15 days later, showing the date it was received and the positive test, and showing the nanograms per milliliter. 27 nanograms were found in the body. So clearly this product made this individual test hot for THC, and if you're concerned about taking CBD because you are drug tested at work, you need to be cautious. Now, this is one of the things that we recommend to anybody who's buying CBD, especially online, and if you're unaware of where you're purchasing it, don't buy CBD at smoke shops and vape shops. Don't buy CBD at farmers markets and things like that. This is a supplement you're putting in your body. It's very important that it's made in a laboratory with clean sanitary conditions. Our recommendation is also, if you do buy it online, vet the company and make sure they have a location. They're not just some online company. You have no idea where they are. Okay? Check and see if there's an email address. So these are the key things we want to look for. Is there an email address that matches the company? Okay? That will tell you that there's some legitimacy there. An email address that matches the company. There should be a phone number to call. If you can't call somebody and talk to them, what good is that? Again, you have no idea who you're speaking to. So if there is an email address and a company name and a phone number, That's 3 potential legitimacy things, right? Then you want to speak to a person. If you speak to a person, ask them some questions about the CBD. How long have you been selling it? What do you know about this molecule? Have you gone to any lectures? What have you learned about this? Or have you just heard what other people tell you? Okay, ask them to send you an email. This is the key. In my opinion, these 3 or 4 steps will save you a lot of hassle. Is it a company? The company name matches the email address. There's a phone number you can call. You can speak to a person, and then ask them to send you an email with some details about the product. If you can get the name of the company, you can get the phone number, you can get an email address, and you can get a response from somebody via email, make sure the email matches the company. That's a pretty good amount of legitimacy that at least you know you're talking to a real company. Okay? Hopefully this helps you guys out a little bit with that. And again, thanks for stopping by. Feel free to share this with anyone who you feel may be interested. Thanks so much.